Hello everyone! Today, we will be discussing about the content of your Module 4 entitled Mixtures and Substances Around Us. The most essential learning competencies that we need to develop in this module is to be able to distinguish mixtures from substances based on a set of properties. Dear learners, your module was designed for you to continue learning even at the comfort of your homes. So, it is suggested that you focus on doing the tasks indicated in your module. You are also reminded to follow the simple guide to successfully achieve the objectives of this module and enjoy learning. Those are the following. Number 1. Follow the content and instructions in all the pages of your module. Number 2. Accomplish all the activities provided in your module. Number 3. Write down the important concepts and terms in your notebook. This may help you in reviewing your lessons. Number 4. Analyze critically the activities and post-tests and apply what you have learned. Write your answers in a sheet of paper. And number 5. Enjoy and learn. Your module will help you distinguish mixtures from substances based on a set of properties. Specifically, you will learn to distinguish mixtures from compounds according to its composition and properties. Use Venn diagram, tabulation, table organizers, and many others. And classify given materials as substances or mixtures. Include chemical formula of substances with their common names and chemical names of materials found at home or in the community. The activities in your module are prepared for you to learn with ease and fun. Enjoy as you discover the substances and mixtures around you. For the first part of your module, get your pen and paper and answer the following. Read the questions carefully. Write the letter of your answer in your answer sheet. Number 1. Which of the following statement distinguished compounds from mixtures? A. It consists of one element. B. It can be separated by physical means. C. It can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. And D. Its properties are different from component elements. Number 2. Which of the following is a property of mixtures? A. It is represented by chemical formula. B. Its temperature is fixed and sharp when boiling. C. Its components can be separated by physical means. And D. It consists of two or more chemically bonded elements. Number 3. Which of the following is a substance? A. Bar soap. B. Cooked rice. C. Syrup. And D. Water. Number 4. Which of the following is a mixture? A. Baking powder. B. Chocolate drink. C. Salt. And D. Sugar. Number 5. Which of the following best describe the vinegar you used at home? A. It is a pure substance. B. It is a homogeneous mixture. C. It consists of one kind of matter. And D. its components can be separated easily. Now, let's proceed to the next part of your module. In your Module 3, you have learned that matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. We have learned the physical and chemical classification of matter. For the chemical classification, matter can be classified into two, the pure substance and mixture. Your Module 3 discusses about pure substances. Pure substances are made up of only one kind of atom or molecule. There are two types of pure substances, namely elements and compounds. Elements are made up of single type of atom and cannot be broken down into simpler form. Examples of elements are hydrogen, gold, mercury, silver, and lithium, while compounds are made up of two or more chemically combined elements. Compounds appear in single or uniform phase. They are always homogeneous. The components of compounds can be separated by chemical process, like extraction and electrolysis. Common examples of compounds are carbon monoxide, table salt, pure ethyl alcohol or ethanol, carbon dioxide or dry ice in solid form, and sulfuric acid. To sum up the characteristics of a compound, let's complete this table. Number 1. Composition. Compound is composed of two or more elements combined. Number 2. Process of combination. Compounds are chemically combined elements. Number 3. Method of separating components. Components of a compound can be separated by chemical reactions. 4. Appearance. Compounds are homogeneous. Number 5. Boiling point. The boiling point of a compound is fixed. And number 6. Melting point. The melting point of a compound is fixed or is unchanging. We have also discussed the comparison between elements and compounds using a Venn diagram. For their differences, elements are composed of only one type of atom, while compounds are composed of two or more types of atoms, which are called molecules. Elements cannot be broken down further, while compounds can be broken down by chemical reaction. Elements are limited. As of today, there are only 118 discovered elements, but we can form endless numbers of compounds by combining different elements. Elements are represented by a chemical symbol. The first letter of the element symbol is written with a capital letter, and the second letter, if there is any, is written in small letter, while a compound, on the other hand, is represented by a chemical formula. For their similarities, elements and compounds are both pure substances. Try to answer the following on your notebook. Classify the given substances whether they are elements or a compound. Write them on the column where they belong. You have 5 minutes to answer, and your 5 minutes starts now. check your answer. Number 1. Calcium is an element. Calcium has a chemical symbol of capital C and small a. Number 2. Limestone is a compound because it is composed of 3 types of atoms, which are calcium, carbon, and oxygen. Pots are also compound. Number 4. Fiber is also a compound. 5. Iron is an element. 6. Potassium is also an element. 7. Protein is a compound. 8. Sodium is an element. 9. Table sugar is a compound. And 10. Vitamin D is also a compound based on the given chemical formula. Now, let's discuss the other types of matter, which is called mixtures. Mixtures are types of matter which are physical combination of 2 or more substances. The proportions of their components are not fixed and can be separated by physical or mechanical means. Let's find out the different ways of separating mixtures. Examples of mixtures are coins, which are called an alloy. Alloy is a combination of 2 or more metals and non-metals. Vinegar, combination of acetic acid and water. Soda, composed of water, sugar, and carbon dioxide. Spaghetti, soy sauce, salad, fruit juices, rubbing alcohol, which is made of isopropyl alcohol and water. Pizza, halo-halo, and air. Air is a combination of different gases. Mixtures are classified into 2 types, namely homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homo means same. Therefore, homogeneous means same or uniform appearance, while hetero means many. Therefore, heterogeneous is a mixture with many appearances. An example of homogeneous mixture is a vinegar. It is a combination of acetic acid and water. Vinegar is a homogeneous mixture because, looking at it, we cannot see the components and it has uniform appearance all throughout. For heterogeneous mixtures, we have the salad. Salad is made from different vegetables and fruits. Salad is a heterogeneous mixture because we can still see the different components like cucumber, tomato, onion, lettuce, and many more. Let's sum up the characteristics of a mixture. Number 1. Composition. Mixture is formed when two or more substances are combined. Number 2. Process of combination. Components of a mixture are physically combined. Number 3. Method of separating components. Components of a mixture can be separated by physical or mechanical means. Number 4. Appearance. The appearance of a mixture can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. 5. Boiling point. A mixture's boiling point is not fixed or varied. Number 6. Melting point. The melting point of a mixture is varied or not fixed. Comparison between mixtures and compounds. To compare the mixtures with compounds, we will be using the Venn diagram. For their differences, mixtures are made up of two or more substances combined, while compounds are two or more elements combined. Components of mixtures are physically combined, while components of substance are chemically combined. Components of mixtures can be separated by physical means. On the other hand, the components of compounds can be separated by chemical means. Mixtures can either be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Compounds are always homogeneous. Mixtures have varied or changing boiling and melting point, while compounds have fixed boiling point and melting point. For their similarities, mixtures and compounds are both matter. They occupy space and has mass. That sums up the content of your Module 4. See you next week for the next topic. God bless.
If you have questions regarding your module, contact your teacher right away. Thank you.